how to connect GitHub with GoDaddy domain. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect GitHub to your GoDaddy account. So first of all, you have to log into your GitHub account. You have to enter your email and password from here. Let me copy the email address of my ID. Then let me paste it over here. Then let me enter password. Then you have to tap onto continue. Okay, so let's add. Then you have to tap onto continue. So after logging into GitHub, here you can see this GoDaddy. You have to head over to GoDaddy, and then let's account. Let's upload it for us. So let's complete this captcha. Like we have to complete these captchas from here. So let's complete these captchas. For example, this one. Now here you have to choose it. One is this. So just choose one like this one. So that's it. As you can see, verification is completed. Now I have to confirm my email, so I have to head over to my Gmail account and have to verify GitHub account. So after logging into GitHub, from here you have to paste the code. Now you have to continue. So then you have to tap on to continue, and after tapping on to continue, here at the GoDaddy domain, you have to buy a domain for yourself. And if you have any domain on this domain site, if you're logging into GoDaddy, you can see the domain site. If you have any domain purchased, you just have to go and purchase a domain. And if you do, then just copy the domain address, copy the link, and then head over to GitHub. And at GitHub, you will be able to see the settings options of your profile. Just tap onto the settings, and from the settings you will be able to see the option called let me find the option, pages. So search for this pages option. Now here you have to tap onto add a domain, and then you have to add domain from GoDaddy. You have to enter your GoDaddy domain, buy a domain from GoDaddy, and then paste the URL here and then add it to it as prompted. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, let me know in the comment section. I will create more videos like this. You just have to purchase a domain. For example, here you just have to purchase a domain from here, and then tap on to make it yours, buy it, copy the address of it, paste it over here, tap on to add domain, then confirm it from GoDaddy, and that's it. See you on another video.